Hi, I'm Tim Sim. I'm a university professor in social work and family therapy. I moved into this flat slightly more than a year ago after working overseas for about 20 years. I was very focused on getting this type of high floor maisonette that has a terrace, which is very rare in Singapore. Would you believe if I bought this flat within 12 hours after I saw it online? I love these arches here. They are inspired by the arches and pillars I've seen in church, particularly those in Europe. But the way they have turned out is rather different here, and I think they have brought a different vibe to this space. Not surprisingly, I've been spending a lot of time like many people working from home during COVID-19. This is also where I have been spending a lot of time with my family and friends. This beautiful frame is specially designed and fabricated. It connects different spaces of this flat and brings in the outside into this flat of mine. When I first saw this lamp, I was shocked how much the statue looks like my dad. I just bought it immediately. This beautiful painting, 长日无风, is a limited print by Wu Guanzhong, a master of merging the East and West. This is my favorite space in the entire flat. It's also very private. This space collects the favorite things of my life that I have collected over time and from different parts of the world. Would you like to guess which is my favorite thing? The favorite thing that I have collected is this antique side table. This is the first antique I have ever collected in my life with the help of my soulmate. I feel very blessed and proud to be this HDB flat owner. It's like I landed in the air.